Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to log into First Citizens Bank online banking. So, let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for First Citizens Bank. Click on this first website over here. Now, on the top right corner, we can see this option called Login, so let's tap on this. Now, choose the login type, and let's go for First Citizens Digital Banking for now. You can choose any and enter your ID number here and enter the password. Once you have done, simply click on Login. If you have forgotten the password, click on Forgot Password, and if you have forgotten ID, let's go for this one and simply click on Login. After you are done with all of this, and if it is your first time logging in, click on First Time Login. So, this is all we can do to log into First Citizens Bank online banking. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.